Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KX450X. This open class motocross just arrived with low hours, only 49 hours on the engine. Beautiful custom graphics, a service, hand guards, full Yoshi exhaust, full engine guard underneath, hammerhead brake pedal. It's got the fat tires. Rear has a run flat tubeless style. Very good condition. It's got the Thrill Seeker seat cover. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, radiator guards. This thing has got tons of upgrades. Come on by and take advantage of all the money that was invested, and it's priced to sell at just $77.90. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.